Here tan 25 degrees equal to P given, then they are asking the value of tan 245 degrees plus tan 335 degrees whole divided by tan 205 degrees minus tan 115 degrees. Find out tan 25 degrees given, then what they are asking, tan 245 degrees plus tan 335 degrees, tan 205 degrees minus tan 115 degrees. See here, tan 25 equal to P means what about the cot 25 degrees? One by P, because this is reciprocal to this one. Okay. Now which value we have to find? The value of this one. Okay. So tan 25, cot 25 values give means we know. So this is also we have to convert into what? Tan 25 and cot 25 only, then we have to substitute, then we will get the answer. Right. For that what we have to do? Tan 245 given. How to write? 270 minus 25. That only we have to take. Right. Next, plus tan 335 degrees given. What we have to write? Tan 360 minus what? 25 we have to write. Okay. Next, whole divided by this one. How to write? Tan 180 plus what? 25, and here minus tan 90 plus 25. Now that is equal to tan 270 minus 25. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan positive at 270, tan changes to cot. So cot 25 plus 360 minus fourth quadrant, tan negative at 360, tan does not change. So tan 25 degrees whole divided by 180 plus third quadrant, tan positive at 180, tan does not change. Next, minus 90 plus 25, second quadrant, tan negative at 90, tan changes to cot 25. Now tan 25, cot 25 values substitute and simplify, you will get the answer. So cot 25 1 by P minus P divided by P, tan 25 P minus or minus plus 1 by P. Take the LCM, 1 minus P square by P. Next 1 plus P square by P. These two P get cancelled. This here denominator, if you remove, our final answer is 1 minus P square by 1 plus P square. And take one more problem on this. Here what they given, tan 20 equal to k, then find the value of tan 250 plus tan 340 whole divided by tan 200 minus tan 110 degrees. This one 250, 340, 200, 110. Right, you can take as homework also, right, later you do if you not get, same type problem. Next another type problems we will discuss. Listen, these are the important problems. Root of 1 minus sine square 200 degrees into secant 200 degrees equal to, options also I will give, minus 1, 1, 0, 2. Do that. And one more problem based on that, root of 1 minus cos square 200 degrees into cosecant 200 degrees, same option. Suppose if you take once again you check, answer is a slight difference between your answer and wrong answer, correct answer and wrong answer. So in functions, modulus functions we discussed. There I given root of x square equal to what? Mod x you taken. Root of x square equal to mod x. Here x may be negative, x may be positive, even though positive will get. So here that is depends on x value is negative or positive. There I given one explanation also. So this is mod x only, these two, because if you cancel these two like that directly you won't get proper answer. So that's why here what we have to do, always under root is there means what we have to write, root of 1 minus cos square sine square 200 degrees into cosecant 200 degrees, right? Sine square 200, and now directly you don't cancel square root. Better you take what? Modulus sine of 200 degrees cosecant 200 degrees. Modulus nothing but what? Plus or minus sine 200 degrees into cosecant 200 degrees. Okay. Now here this plus or minus, plus we have to take or minus we have to take. That is depends on this angle. Understood or not? Now 200 degrees lies in which quadrant? Which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, what about the sign? Sign is negative. So that's why neighborhood of that, definitely what we have to take? Minus. sine of 200 degrees into cosecant of 200 degrees, that is equal to what we will get? Minus 1, like that you have to follow. Okay, no? That is depends on this. Next. Root of they given here. If root of 1 minus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A equal to secant A minus tan A, then A lies in the quadrants so first and second quadrant, second and third quadrant, first and fourth quadrant, first and third quadrant. So now we reached one more level. So carefully have to do, then only proper answer you will get. Listen, first you listen. Sin A exists from where to where? Or sin x or sin alpha, sin theta exists from where to where? Always it is belongs to where to where? Minus 1 to plus 1. In place of A, you take any real number, sin what? 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 200 degrees, 300 degrees, more than that one, 360, anything you substitute. Will you get anywhere sin value 2, 3, 4, 5? You won't get. Sin 1900 you take. That is should be where to where? Minus 1 to plus 1. So that's why domain of sin x is real number, range of sin x is what? Minus 1 to 1. So this is sin x graph. If you take this graph exists from where to where? Minus 1 to plus 1 only or not? Graph is exist minus 1 to plus 1 only. Now listen carefully. Based on that concept is there here. According to that concept, if you follow, proper answer you will get, otherwise totally wrong answer you will get. Sin is exist from where to where? Closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. What about the 1 minus sin A? One minus sin A means we have to multiply with minus. After that we have to add. Like this I will show. Listen. So this can be written as minus 1 less than or equal to sin A less than or equal to 1 or not. Closed interval nothing but in intervals we discussed. Now I want 1 minus sin A. Okay. So multiply with minus. Multiply with minus means here what will get? 1. This less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Minus sin A. Again this less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Why? Less than or equal to becomes greater than when you are multiplying with minus. Definitely it will change. And if you take the reciprocal also, less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Simple meaning here. Suppose 1 less than or equal to 2 or not, or 1 less than 2. Is it true? 1 less than 2 or not? 1 less than 2. Multiply with minus. Minus 1 minus 2. Same less than if you take, is it true? No. Here what we have to write? Greater than. Definitely we have to write or not. So that's why whenever you are multiplying with minus, again if you multiply, what you will get? Plus 1 here, plus 2. Again we have to Means whenever, how many times if you multiply with minus, that many times that inequality will change. Reciprocal also same. Suppose 1 by 2 less than 1 or not? 1 by 2 less than 1 or not? Question mark faces. And now take the reciprocal, means reverse 2. Is it less than? So that's why what we have to take? Inequality will change, right? Okay. Now again what you want? 1 minus sign is there. Again add 1. If you add 1, what will get here? 1 plus 1 greater than or equal to 1 minus sin A. Next greater than or equal to 1 minus 1. Listen here. Sin A exists minus 1 to 1. But I will check 1 minus sin A exists where to where. That only, no? So here 1 minus sin A exists where to where? Tell me. For that one minus, multiply with minus. Again add 1. So minus plus 1. Now here 2 is there greater than or equal to 1 minus sin A greater than or equal to what? 0. So 0 less than or equal to 1 minus sin A less than or equal to 2. Means if you draw the graph of 1 minus sin A, where to where it is exist? Here 0 is there, here 2 is there, here to here it is exist. It will not come what? Negative side. Clear? Now 0 less than or equal to 1 minus sin x less than or equal to 2, right? So 0 less than or equal to means this is non-negative or not? Is there any negative value in this? No, it is not positive, non-negative. Positive different from what? Negative. Positive means greater than 0. Non-negative means greater than or equal to 0. But this is non-negative. Non-negative. Is there any negative value in this? There is no. Means now come to this problem. Root of 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now for this I will do multiply and divide by 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Sorry, 1 minus sin A equal to, what is there? Secant A minus tan A is there. Okay. Okay. Later I will take this one. I am simplifying this one equal to what should get? Secant A tan A. For that under root multiply and divide by 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A. Now that is equal to root of what? 1 minus sin A whole square divided by, can you write root, can you separate? You can separate. Now here A plus B into A minus B means 1 minus sin square A. Here also root. Just we are not doing anything, just what is the concept is there, according to that concept we are moving. Now square root we can't cancel because that is depends on quadrants, particular quadrants, that only they ask you, right? Directly if you cancel, so you may get the wrong answer. So here what you will get? Here also modulus you will get 1 minus sin A. Clear? And here also modulus you will get 1 minus sin square cos square. So this is cos square, modulus of cos square, sorry, root of cos square, modulus of cos x. Okay, no? Otherwise here you take plus or minus, here also you can take. So one more step I will take. This is modulus of root of 1 minus sin A whole square and divided by root of cos square. So this is modulus. Modulus means plus or minus 1 minus sin A. Can you write? This is also modulus, plus or minus. For understanding purpose, each and every step I am taking. Right? Don't cancel this one and this one. It may be negative here positive, here negative. Anyway, now here negative you have to take or positive you have to take. I am asking. There is no chance to get here negative or not. Because what is the reason? but 1 minus sin A 0 to 2, there is no negative value. So that's why definitely here what will get? 1 minus sin A only you will get, because there is no negative value, either 0 or positive, means non-negative, that is the meaning is what? Non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. So that's why 1 minus sin A is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Nothing but sin A is exist minus 1 to plus 1, means there is no chance to get what? Negative. If you take suppose minus 1 minus or minus plus 1, 2 you will get. 0, 1 minus 0, suppose if you take here 0, 1 minus 0, positive only. Suppose 1 if you take 1 minus 1, 0 you will get. So positive, is there any negative value? From this one, any value substitute in place of sign, there is no negative. Now here what we have to take? Plus or minus. Chance is there. Plus chance is there, minus chance is there. So plus or minus cos. Here we can't identify it is plus or minus. But even though they are not asking it is plus or minus, but what they are asking? To get right side secant A minus tan A should be lies in which quadrant asking? To sit in this class, what is the ability, what is the eligibility of you? Understood or not? Suppose if you want to sit in top section, what is the eligibility? That only asking here. To get here what? Secant A minus tan A, this should be what? Negative or positive? 1 by cos, what you will get? Okay, one more step I will write. 1 by plus or minus cos A minus sin A by plus or minus cos A. 1 by cos secant, sin by cos tan. Secant tan is there, no? So here secant tan should get means this plus or minus should be what? Plus only or not? Then only you will get what? This one. Now when you will get? If A lies, when you will get this is positive and this is also positive, when A lies in which quadrant? Right, first and fourth quadrant. If A lies in first and fourth quadrant, cos A is what there? Positive. Cos A is positive. So that's why this becomes what? Plus. So 1 by cos, sin by cos, secant A minus tan A. Understood or not? So like this. Shall I explain once again? No need, no? Okay, one more problem I will give you. Try, you will get the clarity. Next, here one more problem they given. This is if root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A equal to cosecant A plus cot A, then A lies in the quadrant. Same options you take, which quadrants you have? Tell me. After completion of this one, you can identify answer directly. Listen here. I will do this problem once again. Listen here. What we have to do first? 1 plus cos A. First we have to simplify 1 minus cos A under root multiply and divide by what? 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A to get A plus B into here A minus B here square root. And now that is equal to here whatever it may be. So here what we can write, root of 1 plus cos A whole square divided by 1 minus cos square. Here what we will get, that one you have to check. Here what we will get, sin square. First and second quadrant answer. Sin where it is positive? Sin first and second. That only getting or not, right side. Now equal to, so here plus or minus, modulus means plus or minus 1 plus cos A, right? Divided by here 1 minus cos square sin square means plus or minus sin A. Now here I will identify, already we know that what? Minus 1 less than or equal to cos A less than or equal to 1. But what I want? 1 plus cos A. What about the 1 plus cos A? Now plus only there, no? Here plus is there. Add 1. Previous problem minus is there, multiplied with minus. Here no need. So plus 1. So 1 minus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus cos A less than or equal to 1 plus 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 plus cos A less than or equal to 2. There is no negative. This is also non-negative. So that's why it is non-negative means clearly what we can write 1 plus cos A because there is no negative there. But here negative is there or not, we don't know because minus 1 less than or equal to sin A less than or equal to minus 1 to 0 negative, 0 to 1 positive. Both chances are there. Understood? So that's why both plus or minus like this. 1 by plus or minus sin A, next cos A by plus or minus sin A. Now you observe the right side. Observe the right side. What is that? 1 by sin cosecant. There is no negative. Cos by sin cot A. There is no negative. So that's why here what we have to get? Here positive you want. Here also what you want? Positive you want. Means here positive and here also positive. So when you will get positive? When this A, like previous problem, root of 1 minus sin square 200 degrees, there 200 degrees lies in which quadrant you know. According to that there minus or plus you taken. But here A you don't know. Reversely they asked problem. Same problem but reverse. A should be which quadrant? First. If it is in first and second, then here positive you can take because modulus. Neighborhood of that first quadrant and second quadrant sign is positive. So therefore A should be lies in which quadrant? First and second quadrant. So if A lies in first and second quadrant, here what will get plus, here also plus 1 by sin cosecant cos by sin cot, cosecant A plus cot. Always like this you won't get. According to the right side we have to change our idea. Understood or not? Okay, 2 examples I will give, homework problems based on this one. Second one, if root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A equal to cosecant A minus cot A, then A lies in the quadrants. So these two are homework. Next, same, if you extend this problem like this, they will ask. Here see one problem. Pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, then root of 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha plus root of 1 plus cos alpha divided by 1 minus cos alpha equal to options. First one, 2 secant alpha minus 2 secant alpha, 2 cosecant alpha, and fourth one is minus 2 cosecant alpha. Do that. Same, but the sum of two problems previous like that they give it. Same procedure as the previous problem we have to follow. First observe, this is which quadrant? Already they given. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Right? Now here what we have to take? Root of 1 minus cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha, multiply and divide by 1 minus cos alpha by 1 minus cos alpha plus root of 1 plus cos alpha divided by 1 minus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha, that is equal to root of what? 1 minus cos alpha whole square by a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos square sin square plus 1 plus cos alpha whole square root of, this is also sin square. Now this is modulus of 1 minus cos alpha divided by, this is also modulus, means plus or minus sin alpha, and this is also plus or minus, means I will take modulus of cos alpha divided by plus or minus sin alpha. But this one and this one positive only. In previous problems we shown, right? This is minus 1 to 1, this is also minus 1 to 1. These two positive, that is equal to what? So that is equal to 1 minus cos alpha divided by, but plus or minus. So this is always non-negative. This is always non-negative, right? But what about these two, this one and this one? Alpha lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign positive or negative? Positive. So that's why what we have to take? This is sin alpha and this is 1 plus cos alpha by sin alpha. Take the LCM. Sin alpha is LCM. So 1 minus cos alpha, 1 plus cos alpha, these two get cancelled, 1 plus 1 2, 2 by sin alpha, that is equal to 2 into cosecant alpha. This is our answer. Okay, right. Take one more problem. Alpha lies in second quadrant. If alpha lies in second quadrant, then they are asking root of 1 minus sin alpha by 1 plus sin alpha plus root of 1 plus sin alpha by 1 minus sin alpha. Next, later you do this problem as a homework. You take, do this problem. Pi less than theta less than 2 pi. Pi less than theta less than 2 pi. That implies 1 by sin theta minus root of cot square minus cos square equal to. So pi less than theta less than 2 pi, that implies 1 by sin theta root of cot square minus cos square equal to. So options you take, first one is cosecant theta and second one secant, third one is sin theta, fourth one is cos theta. Do this. Same type problems, model is same but different asking. For all these problems we are following concept same. Listen, clearly they given alpha lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. This problem I am doing, this is you do, this first problem I will do, second problem. Once you see pi less than theta less than 2 pi, which quadrant? Third and fourth quadrant. Third and fourth quadrant. Now that is what we have to find, this value we have to find. That is sin theta minus root of, so this one I will write cos square by sin square, right, minus cos square theta, that is equal to 1 by sin theta. In these two, what is common? Cos square. Okay, you take cos square common. What is remaining? 1 by sin square theta minus 1. Now, that is equal to 1 by sin theta minus root of cos square theta into 1 by sin square cosecant square theta minus 1, right. Now, that is equal to 1 by sin theta minus root of cos square theta cosecant square theta minus 1. Since formula cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cot square equal to cosecant square minus 1. Now, square root is there again, right. All these problems square root, modulus, plus or minus, what we have to take according to the condition. And now, that is equal to, so here square for these two and root is there, no. Square root is there means directly should not cancel, because alpha or theta lies in which quadrant, we have to observe. According to that, we have to take that is positive or negative. Now, that is equal to 1 by sin theta minus, what we have to take, plus or minus cos theta into what, cot theta, getting modulus means plus or minus. Now, tell me what we have to take, plus or minus product of. Previous problem only one function, they are identified easily, but here product of two functions and also which two quadrants are there. Simple thing, listen here. Suppose if you take third quadrant, because there are two chances are there. Suppose if you, in that two chances, what is the possibility if you identify exactly there, what we have to take, you can identify, tell me. Minus we have to take, plus there is no chance, because suppose if you take a third quadrant, in third quadrant these two are opposite, cos is negative, cot is positive. Suppose if you come to fourth quadrant, this is what, positive, this is negative. So, in these two quadrants, one is what, opposite sign. So, that is why what we have to take, 1 by sin theta minus of what, minus cos theta into cot theta. Understood or not? Opposite signs. Now, that is equal to 1 by sin theta plus minus of minus plus cos theta into cot theta, but answer not there. What is the answer in these, anyone? Simplify. So, this is, can you write this cot theta as cos theta by sin theta? Take the LCM in denominator, that is equal to 1 by, what is the LCM? Sin theta is LCM. Now, sin into sin, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So, that is equal to 1 by what? 1, this is 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta. What is the answer? Sin theta, like this, okay. Okay, one example I will give based on this one, homework you do later, you try. So, pi by 2 homework problem, less than x less than 3 pi by 2, pi by 2 less than x less than 3 pi by 2, then 1 by cos x minus root of tan square minus sin square. Do this. So along this one, two more examples I will give you, try. So this is second problem. Cot square alpha equal to 1 plus a square, then cosecant alpha plus cot cube alpha into secant alpha. Cosecant alpha plus cot cube alpha into secant alpha equal to. Next, third one, tan square alpha equal to 1 minus p square. Then secant alpha plus tan cube alpha into cosecant alpha equal to. So for this problem I will give the options also. So 2 plus p square whole to the power of 3 by 2, 1 plus, because in terms of p asking problem, and third one is 2 minus p square whole to the power of 3 by 2, fourth one 1 minus p square whole to the power of 3 by 2. These two are homework, right? So today some problems based on trigonometry. Tomorrow also I will continue. Okay, now do these. What are the homework problems? You try. If you not get, we will do next tomorrow. Okay, now right. Thank you.